Hello YouTube. Here with an update on another project I'm working on. I have quite a few going at this point, but like I say, I get different inspiration for different things at different times. This one here is going to be a welding rig. I live in Texas, so a lot of those running around, so I got inspired. I said I want to build one bad welding rig. So this is I think it's a 53 Ford, and I've taken parts from a Peterbilt, which is the chassis and the engine. Engine fits in there pretty nicely, I think. Once I get it all detailed up, it'll look pretty good. The back end is from the GMC Wrecker. Those welding tanks or cutting torch tanks came with the Ford truck there. I plan on it having, you know, the stacks from the Peterbilt and the mirrors, possibly the air cleaner, and the bumper from the Wrecker. And I'm taking the front end of the Peterbilt and I chopped it up. I'm going to make a welding machine out of it. But yeah, this is just something else that I'm working on, and I will keep you up to date on the progress on it, and we'll talk to you later.